Hey guys, Mark here, and on this channel we'll talk about passive income and making money online. So on this video I'm going to show you how you can make money using TikTok, and some of the ways that I'll show you, you can actually make money without having a large following. So make sure you stick around and see the different ways that you can make money using TikTok. So one of the ways you can make money on TikTok is through what's called sponsored content. As you scroll through TikTok, you might have seen adverts, and some of these are from very small creators who haven't got many followers. They can work in two ways. So the company will ask you to either make an advert that you post on your own account, or they can ask you to make an advert that they'll post on their own account. I prefer the ones that ask me to make a video for them that they use for themselves, because then I don't have to advertise to my own followers, which most of the times you don't really want to be advertising too much to your followers, because most of them are not there to see adverts, they're there to see content that will help them. So brands will usually reach out to creators who have quite a few followers. So I started getting brands approach me when I had over 80,000 followers. And it helps if you post regularly as well, and if you're quite engaged with your followers. That way brands will kind of see you as a more of a valuable person to work with, because you're posting regularly, you have interactions with your followers either through lives or through comments, making video replies, that kind of thing. So if you do that and you're interacting with your followers and you post regularly, you're going to have a good chance that brands will approach you to work with them. If you want to be approached by brands, you don't want to be, an aggressive person or lots of arguments online or creating the kind of content that's really controversial. Because if you do, not many brands want to work with you, or not many brands are going to work with you, because they want to have somebody that's going to represent their brand in a nice way. And don't go out there with a bad attitude or controversial views and all that kind of stuff. If you want to get brands to approach you, if that's your content that you want to make anyway, then do that. But if you're thinking about getting brand deals in the future, then obviously that's not going to be ideal. So the easiest way for brands to reach out to you is through what's called a creator marketplace. You can sign up to this, and TikTok will either accept or deny your application. And once they've accepted it, you can then set your price, and then brands can reach you through TikTok itself. They can message you and invite you to connect with them for advertising brands, and then usually you can work out the details. So for more details on that kind of thing, check out the video that I made on working with brands. So another way you can make money through TikTok is by selling products from people that already have shops on TikTok. So there are a lot of businesses on there, small businesses, sometimes people that are working out of China and other places, that want you to promote their products and link their product to your video. I'll be a bit wary about this approach. You need to be very careful with the kind of products that you're gonna promote. So like take this VR set, for example, that I got from one of the sellers. They invited me to, work with them with this product, and it was something that I was going to do anyway, because I was going to include this in my lives, in something that I was going to do. But when it arrived, first of all, it took ages to arrive. It took weeks. I nearly forgot that it was going to come. I forgot about it because it took so long to come. And then when it did come, when I tried it on, it was really cheap. It was, basically falling apart, and it didn't really do what I thought it was going to do. If you are going to work with these kind of small shops, one, make sure that the product that you're going to promote is in line with what your followers are there for, or what your followers expect. You don't want to be selling like dog merchandise to people if your content is mainly about, working out, or if your content is about property or something like that. Yeah, you need to be selective about the kind of products that you're going to sell. This one is a bit easier than getting, let's say, brand deals, because you're going to get loads of businesses approaching you, sending you messages saying, can you work with us? And a lot of them are nothing to do with what your followers are about, so you need to just kind of ignore those ones. It might be tempting to think, okay, I'm going to earn some money because this person has invited me to work with them, but really you need to be really selective and only go for the ones that are going to be beneficial for your followers, and also test the product for yourself, because you don't want to be in a situation where your followers are ordering this product. If they do, and it's taking ages or it's really low quality, then you're going to be kind of responsible for that yourself, because they would have bought it through your videos. I'm not saying that all of them are going to be like this. Some of them are going to be really good. So if you do find one you're keen to work with, because one, they may be in line with what your followers are about and what your content is about, and two, it's a good quality product and it arrives quickly, then obviously it's going to be a good idea to work with that business and work with that product and sell it, and you could potentially earn yourself quite a lot of commission that way. So if you're interested in making money online, you probably would have heard the term affiliate marketing. Now, put simply, affiliate marketing is you promoting somebody else's product or service, usually through like a link. So to do affiliate marketing, you don't need like a huge following on TikTok, because to put a link on your profile, all you need is 1,000 followers. And once you can put a link on there, then you can start making content that directs people towards that link in your bio. So by now, it's not like a big secret that TikTok doesn't pay as much as, say, YouTube for content that you post on there, but you can still make a good amount of money on there if you post regularly and if your videos go viral. So if you want to know how to go viral, make sure you check out this video. So to qualify for the Creator Fund, you need to have at least 10,000 followers, and you need to have a pro account, which is really easy. You just need to switch from normal account to pro account. And you also need to have at least 100,000 views within the last 30 days, which can be done if you follow some of the steps that I've made in some other videos. So make sure you check those out. So we talked about selling products for other people's TikTok shops and other brands, but on TikTok, you can actually create your own TikTok shop. Once you get to a certain level of followers, TikTok will invite you to open up a TikTok shop. If you have an idea for products, or let's say you make something at home that you want to turn into a product, this TikTok is a great way of doing that. Especially if you're making something that's quite colorful or playful or interesting, you can use that to film and show the process of what you're doing, and then actually sell that product, which is what a lot of people have done successfully on TikTok. And that way the customer actually knows what they're getting and they feel connected with what you're selling as well. So the great thing about having a TikTok shop instead of having a normal website is that people can buy directly from your videos from TikTok. They don't have to leave the platform. A lot of people spend a lot of time on TikTok nowadays, so it makes sense to have your products there. So they don't have to exit TikTok and go to a website. They can go from your video, click on the link, and buy the product without even leaving the platform, which is very, very good for selling stuff. If you want to be selling stuff, this is probably one of the best things that's happened to e-commerce in the last, well, ever really, because it allows people to buy directly from where they're watching. This is great. So TikTok Shop allows you to sell physical products that you can deliver to whoever buys it. At the moment, they don't allow you to sell digital products like apps and courses, but you can still do that if you have 1,000 followers or more. So you can have a link in your bio which directs people to your product. So you can actually create a product like an app or a course or like an online course, and then promote it through your TikTok videos and direct people to your link in your bio. Or you can promote it during lives, which is what I've done for my app. I've actually created an app and I'm going to make a video on how I've done that. So make sure you subscribe and watch how I created my own app and how I'm selling it on TikTok. So however you're planning to make money on TikTok, remember the most important thing is content. Content is what's going to get you followers, and how you engage with those followers is what's going to make you sales in the long run. But on the same side of that, you want to be thinking about, if you are going to be making money, or if you want to think about making money, think long term and think about the kind of content you want to create. Is it going to be in line with what you're trying to sell? And is it going to be in line with brands that you want to attract? So remember, this wasn't like a complete exhaustive list of ways you can make money on TikTok. There are lots of different ways. I'm going to be doing more videos like this where I show you more ways of making money on TikTok. So make sure you subscribe for that. I'm also going to take you through with me some of the stuff that I've learned and some of the journeys, some of the mistakes that I've made as well when it comes to making money on TikTok and other platforms. And so make sure you join me for those videos as well. And I hope you enjoyed this one. I'm going to be uploading more of these videos all the time, so make sure you subscribe. So if you've already been making money on TikTok, let us know below what kind of things you've done to make money on TikTok, or what kind of things are you planning to do to make money on TikTok. Leave a comment down below so we can get some ideas from you as well, and that way we can share and grow together. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you on the next one.